With the Tooltips for Gravity Forms by WPMonks, you can add tooltips to each choice in radio buttons, checkboxes, giving users more clarity right where they need it. The download link for the plugin is in the description. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Forms, Booster, and select the form where you want to use choice level tooltips. Click the Tooltips tab. Then select a checkbox radio in the preview area. You will now see input boxes next to each choice. Type your tooltip text and you will instantly see it show up in the live preview. Click Save and check the form in the front end. Each individual choice now has its own tooltip, styled and functional. Guide users better and reduce confusion with tooltips on each option. Download Tooltips for Gravity Forms using the link in description.